You know what? I have a way for you to earn money and you have control of how much you're making. Wouldn't you like that? Wouldn't that be great? Wouldn't that be wonderful during this time of year with the whole COVID situation? Well, let's get into that. Let's go. Yo, what's up? This is Donald B. And welcome to my page once again. I'm here to talk to you guys about Onlyfans. A lot of you are still learning about it and want to know more information about it. It's still fairly brand new. It's like 4 years old, based out of London. But look, I'm telling you, this is a platform that you want to utilize. A lot of times when people are hearing this particular platform, they think about one thing, which a lot of people are taking advantage of, mostly in the adult industry. But that's not what it's only for. It's just they're taking advantage of an opportunity that's there for them. So why not? Why not do what works for you? But it's all good. But let's get into that. Before I can do that, again, remember to always like, subscribe, and share this or comments. Do everything you can. What questions do you all have? You need to put questions down at the bottom so that way, if I haven't answered your question yet, I can do some research, get the answers for you, and probably do another video for that. Wouldn't that be wonderful? I'm pretty sure it would be. Anyways, who am I? I'm Donald B. I am a social media expert helping people grow their business through social media. I have a TikTok channel right here. You can see with my family, we are actually growing on TikTok. We have like over 170,000 followers, which is just awesome. We just do a lot of funny skits. We like making people laugh. If it entertains you, you can smile, whatever to do is make your day better. That's what we focus on. That's one of the things we do, just so I can grow a channel. I actually have a TikTok growth channel as well that I actually help people grow on TikTok as well, which is a lot of fun. But this is only about OnlyFans. We're here to be talking about OnlyFans. There's not a lot of people talking about OnlyFans. And I want to help people who are trying to grow a business and know they can use OnlyFans to grow their business. You know what I'm saying? Let's use a platform that is brand new that no one really knows about and push it. If we push this content, you'll be surprised what you can do for yourself in the future. Take advantage of it while it's early. So what is OnlyFans? OnlyFans is a subscription-based platform where people can actually purchase the content that you are actually showing them, which is interesting. It can be a post, it can be a video, it can be just whatever it is. People can pay you to see your stuff. Pay you to see whatever you're trying to post. If you want to teach a class or something, you can post it there. Anything to help you to grow your business, it's just there for you. It's not only about business. You can do content, funny content, crazy content, any kind of content you are. And you have to be at least 18 older to have this actual particular platform. But you can do so much with it. There's so many different opportunities. You just have to find the right opportunity that helps you and that works for you. OnlyFans, like I said, is brand new, but there's many ways of people to find you. Because you're probably questioning, if I use OnlyFans, how do I get people to find me? What do I do need to be seen? What do I need to do with OnlyFans so that people can come to my platform and pay me on certain subscriptions? Not everything has to be paid for. You can actually do a lot of free stuff. It's your platform. You have control of what happens. The cheapest item you have for subscription is $4.99. You can charge for each post. It's very interesting how you do it. I'm telling you, do your research on it. Well, one of the things you can do is continue sharing on other platforms. You can share the link on your Facebook. You can share the link on your Instagram. You can share the link on your Twitter. I don't have Twitter, but you can use Twitter as well and have people hit you up on this platform. People are actually starting to use TikTok as well as a platform to promote their business. So do what you can to promote it. OnlyFans is there for you to utilize to help you grow your business as well. If you have a class that you're ready to teach, put it on there. Create a platform on there that people can teach you how to do things. There's different ways to get paid through your subscription. So people paying you tips. There's a thing called pay-per-view. I'll go into more details on another video to explain to you more what that is. But it's a legit site. It's like I said, still fairly new. Like TikTok is like 4 years old, I think it is. And it's so much easier to grow on something that's new. Take advantage of the new things that's out there. Look at all the platforms. Keep watching them. Watch what they do. See how they grow and see what happens. But I'm telling you, it'll definitely help you out in the near future. And there's a lot of different ways that can actually help you to grow your business. But I'm telling you, OnlyFans is the way. Because I'm continue talking about OnlyFans. You don't have anybody else out there talking about OnlyFans. There probably was months ago, but people stopped. Don't know why, but I'm here because I'm pretty sure people are looking for more information. I want you to take advantage of these opportunities. This is something else you can do. Subscription-based platform. You'll be it's like running your own Netflix. I'm telling you. If people are getting paid on Netflix, why can't you get paid on your own platform? So this is your platform to utilize. Social media, people find you, they pay you to see your stuff. That's nice, right? Come on. I'm telling you. But anyways, that's all I want to talk to you guys about today, because I want you guys to take advantage of that. I'm pretty sure you'll definitely enjoy it. Pretty sure you guys are going to learn a lot from me when I give you guys more information about it. And maybe we'll go on the screen on the next one and show you exactly how to take advantage of this platform, y'all. All right, y'all. But again, my name is Donald B. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this platform. And I want you guys to continue to reach out to me if you have any questions. Leave the comments down below so that way I can answer any questions you have. I am here for you. I am going to do everything I can to make sure your business grows and make sure you have a better understanding of how this works. All right? Doses.